This is the first of several lessons on Spanish pronouns. We're going to start off with the subject pronouns. The Spanish subject pronouns, starting off with the singular pronouns, are yo, I, tú, the informal version of you, él, he, ella, she, usted, the formal version of you. The plural pronouns are nosotros, nosotras, the respective masculine and feminine forms of we, vosotros, vosotras, the respective masculine and feminine forms of the informal version of you, ellos, ellas, the respective masculine and feminine forms of they, and ustedes, the formal version of you. You should also be aware of which subject pronouns are first, second, and third person. The plural masculine pronouns nosotros, vosotros, and ellos are used when referring to groups that include both males and females, or groups that include only males. The plural feminine pronouns nosotras, vosotras, and ellas are only used if referring to a group that consists entirely of females. Vosotros and its other pronoun derivatives are not as commonly used outside of Spain. Most often you will use ustedes as the plural form of you. Subject pronouns determine the conjugations or different forms of verbs, in addition to other factors, such as tense and mood. These example sentences are all in the present tense, but with a change in subject, the verb ending will also change. Yo como naranjas. Tú bebes agua. Él habla español. Nosotros vivimos en España. Ellas caminan al parque. So now we have covered the basics of Spanish subject pronouns. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.